Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. No, this is not the Halloween video I promised you at the end of my last video. That one is still in the works and I do hope to have it all done by this weekend. But for now, I just wanted to share some really fast and easy Halloween options with you. Starting with cookies, of course. Cookies are not only delicious but fun to make too. And if you make them with my best sugar cookie recipe, this recipe is no spread, so your cutouts keep their shape in and out of the oven, and that is a plus. The royal icing that I'm using is by far the best. It is really easy to work with, and you can make them into pumpkins and ghosts, and my favorite, the mummy, with a chocolate variation recipe that I have for you as well for these cutest ever skeletons. Another really cute idea is a spin-off on the candy apple. By using pears that are already shaped like ghosts, you have another idea for a slightly healthier Halloween treat. Of course, these are dunked in chocolate, yum, but chocolate comes from a tree. That makes it a plant, and plants are basically salad, so yay, pear salad for Halloween! Now there is another cookie option for you, and this is my vegan replica from one of my most popular recipes from my bakery, the New York style black and white cookie, iced in orange and black sugar icing with some Halloween decor made from my own homemade sprinkles recipe. These cookies are so good. They are sort of a cross between a cookie and a cake, so if you've never tried a black and white cookie, today should be your day. Now, don't forget, all my recipes come with full-length video tutorials at gretchensveganbakery.com, and all the ingredients are listed out in US volume measure and grams weight too, and all the written explanations for how to make everything so that you'll never have a problem with any of my recipes. Now we get into a slightly more time-consuming recipe, but this recipe for my black chocolate cake is a one-bowl mix, so it's still really easy, but man, I love this recipe so much. Can you see how fudgy this cake is? And the blackness from the cocoa really pops those colors for a really cool Halloween decorated cake. Now, I do have 4 recipes for buttercream on my website, so you could just pick which one you want to make, and again, all the links are below this video for all these recipes. And last but not least, a fancy little candy corn cheesecake that thankfully does not taste like candy corns. Yuck. But it is made with real corn and it is amazing. It is a no-bake recipe and just really pretty, if I might say so myself, with layers of pumpkin cheesecake, vanilla cheesecake, and yep, corn cheesecake. This one is so unique and tasty. I really hope you're going to try it. So there you go, guys, a few recipe ideas for you this Halloween season, all of them delicious and all of them vegan, so be sure to head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the recipes. Thanks for checking out this little compilation, and stay tuned in a couple of days for my epic Halloween cake 2019. It is shaping up to be pretty cool, so you won't want to miss it. And if you guys know that I don't really get into too much cake decorating, I am going for it in this one, so you're going to want to check this one out. Alright everyone, thanks for the support, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.